10 fruits that help lower blood sugar levels naturally. As promised in my previous video where we spoke about 10 fruits that were spiking our sugar levels so high, this time we'll talk about the more friendly ones that don't spike our sugar levels that high. 1. Berries. This can be strawberries, raspberries, blueberries. They're packed with antioxidants and fiber, which is very vital for controlling blood sugar levels. 2. Avocado. These are very rich in healthy fats and almost no sugar. 3. Apples. These are very low in glycemic index and rich in fiber. 4 is a kiwi. This one will boost your vitamin C and is very rich in fiber. 5 is a grapefruit. This one will help to reboost insulin sensitivity, once again working on the cell receptor so that once again it listens to insulin. Pears. These are very low in carbohydrates but powerful and very rich in fiber. And 7, we've got plums. These have natural compounds that naturally control blood glucose levels. And 8, guavas. These are loaded in fiber and vitamin C, pretty much the best for diabetics. And number 9 are apricots. These are very rich in vitamin A, C, E, very rich in fiber, very rich in antioxidants, very rich in polyphenols as well, which is very necessary for stabilizing blood sugar levels. 10, peaches. Very high in vitamin A and C, very high in fiber, antioxidant, polyphenols, very rich in enriching the immunity, general immunity, and also stabilizes blood glucose levels.